Oh, let's see the outside. Wow. Good morning. Ooh. Oh, let's see the outside. Wow. Amazing, spectacular view. Wow. Wow. So nice. Sun is rising over there. My gosh. Amazing, awesome view. Awesome view. Wow. Yeah. And the moon is over there. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, before going out, just I lay down in a tent and I'm enjoying the view. It's really amazing, calming. Actually, this area was full of the wild animals. All the night was possible to hear the sound of the jackals, the wolf, yeah. But this night was so quiet. The snow was falling on the tent and the branch of the trees was broken because heavy snow on it. Yeah, my God, and freezing, maybe 10, 12 minus degrees in the night. But now, yeah, it's a little bit getting the warmer. Still cold, 8. Yeah, minus 8 degrees. Yeah, Messi's at outside making a tea, I think so. Oh, it's around 7:30. Temperature around minus 7, 8, maybe 10 degrees. Really, it was freezing night. Oh, it's a time to have a tea. Oh, to get a warm little bit. Oh, and enjoy the view. Have the breakfast. Wow, man, it's frozen.
Oh,
Yeah, it's frozen. Oh my God. Even inside the tent, it's frozen.
let me try it.
Wow. But nice with the tea, really. Some sweet stuff. Early morning.
I know. Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Mm,
This is crunchy.
yeah.
Mm.
Wow. So, in the night, some of the wild animals, they came very closer to our campsite. Actually, it's good in the winter. Very easily we can understand which animals are close to us. Yeah, but that one was very close. Yeah, very, very close. So I just want to show our campsite. Just maybe 5 or 10 meters far from the street. Maybe he came, he checked. Yeah, there was some light in the night time. I didn't switch off my tent light, and then maybe he returned back. Yeah. So possible to see the sunshine on the tree. Yeah. But still -degrees. Yeah. I'm melting the snow for making the breakfast.
Okay.
This is our breakfast. Cheese, tomato, spring onion. Yeah. We decided to make the potato with the spring onions and some herbs inside. And this is our frozen bread. As a rock, piece of the rock. Even it was frozen inside of the tent, really. You can imagine how many degrees was yesterday night. Yeah. Mess, how is it? Is it tasty?
It's good.
Really?
It's really good.
Okay, have a good appetite. Enjoy your meal, man. I didn't taste you.
It's good, right?
No.
They even put cheese inside.
Better to eat like that. But if you want to add, yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Add it and mix it. Yeah. Just mix it. Wow, onion is frozen. It's as a piece of the ice, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tasty?
Mm.
Yeah, better. Better. Yeah. So I told yesterday it will be kind of also the testing of my tent. The nature hike cloud up one for one person tent for the snow. Yeah, really, it didn't leak. Yeah, so it's good. It's really good. So in the winter time, actually what we need just cover the sides by the snow. Yeah, to keep the temperature inside, you know, at least a plus a little bit, maybe 0 or 1. Yeah, a little bit warmer than outside. Yeah, it's nice. I like it. I enjoy. I could survive in this cold tent. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now to clean the snow which is around this tent, because after some time we need to just, yeah, pack our tents, pack our backpacks and you move out from the forest, from this wilderness. Yeah, now it's time to pack up our tents and move out from this awesome forest. Really, it was a kinda, you know, excited experience for me. It was an awesome camping for me, really. I miss it to do, really, for a long time. Yeah, and it was my first snow camping for this year. Yeah, I really enjoy it. I really love it. I didn't get any cold thanks to my equipment, thanks to my camping gears. Begin to go to the main road to catch some car to go to the city. We will try. Actually, the roads are closed. There's a very few the cars. We will see is it possible or not. Actually, I should be in a city. Today is my daddy's birthday, so I shall be there. Okay. Oh, okay, I will let this go. Okay, let's go. Wow, very thick snow, huh?